Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now in this video, I'm going to go over different traffic sources for people who want to join webtalk. Alright, now this site I came across a couple months ago. It's called Leadsleap. I'm going to do a quick review on it. Now, as you can see, this is my my ads, and I'm a pro member. So with being a pro member, you don't have to spend or waste any time clicking on other people's ads. You could just get started immediately and then sign up. Not sign up, but then put your ads on getting visitors. I posted this ad yesterday, and I've already got 35 views to it. Right, and also this ad I posted yesterday as well too. 47 views. And this ad I've had up for a while. 2x2 20 matrix, no recruiting. I had it up since October of last year. I've got over 1,227 visitors. This ad I'm in text by AI. I got over 2,000 visitors for that one. And this one here, I'm actually promoting webtalk on here, and I've had opt-ins on here as well too. Let's go down the list here. And I'm getting daily traffic and clicks to my webtalk. My webtalk link, and I did get a couple of signups with that as well too. So let me just go back and click on this link. Yeah. Wait. So I'll go. So for those of you, it's only $20 a month for the pro, by the way. But for those of you who just starting out and don't have money just yet, you could post free credit ads here. All right, and here's how you do it. You add a new ad here. You're gonna enter your URL. You're gonna have to add a title. You're gonna have to add some type of text. All right, and then let's see, add a relevant image. So you're gonna pick your category: cryptocurrency, downline builder, affiliate marketing, right? And then you're gonna preload your credits to this ad to get it going, and then save and submit. All right, now you could also, if you want to build a list, you could go click on the My Landing Pages, and then you could build a landing page. That actually comes free with the system. All right, now we're gonna view my followers. So I have 13 in my direct downline. This is by just recruiting. All right. And then we do get spillover. I've got 51 in my spillover. Now the good thing about this is we could send broadcast messages like I did. And let me go down. Let's see. No, I actually sent the message to my email list. I'm sorry. And then let's see if they have it here. So I sent a list, and there I sent it out on the 24th. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see. And that is how one of the ways you could promote webtalk. All right, now I'm gonna go to another website I'm a part of, which is Networkers List. All right, you can see my dashboard. I already earned $15 off of someone joining me from Networkers List. And if you go to the promotional center, they give you pretty much everything that you're gonna need. All right, text links, a splash page, a lead capture page, banner ads, to promote this, and you could promote this on webtalk. So this is what we call cross promoting. All right, now I'm going to show you where webtalk comes in and how you can cross promote it. Go to banner ads and boom. All right, and this is my banner ad for webtalk, and as you can see, they give you 5,000 credits per month. Credits used already 211, and already got 3 clicks to my webtalk. All right, let's see, and you go to the ad board here, and then there's another way you can promote webtalk by putting in a ad on this ad board, and a lot of people are already promoting it. Right, so you put your ad here and then the website URL, which would be webtalk. Okay, and that's 2 ways you can get leads to webtalk. Now, if you're interested in joining, just click on the link below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for being in my channel.